Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Happy Toy Time. I am so glad that you clicked on this video and I really hope that it brightens up your day during this crazy COVID-19 isolation. This video is not only delicious, but it's super easy and super fast. So this is Jolly Rancher Edible Slime. Of course you will need Jolly Ranchers. I will be doing two flavors for you. I'm going to pick watermelon and blue raspberry because those are my favorite. And so you'll need about 10 Jolly Ranchers. And you guys, while I get my candy all set up, make sure that you guys subscribe and of course click that notification button. We upload videos probably every 3 to 4 days, so quite a few videos come out of our channel, and make sure you guys check out all of our previous videos as well. And you guys, we comment back to everybody, so make sure you guys comment. Let me know how you're doing during this isolation. How are you spending your days? Are you spending your days watching YouTube videos like this, or are you getting outside a bit more? Please let us know. I would love to hear what everybody is doing. So as you can see, I have 10 Jolly Ranchers in each little heating compartment there. And I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of marshmallows. Really depends on how much slime you want. Okay, so all you do at this point is you wait for it to melt, you stir it up, and you pretty much have slime after this point. So this is how crazy easy this is, you guys. Of course, whenever you're dealing with heat, make sure that you guys are being careful. You can do it in the microwave. Just make sure you're careful because Jolly Ranchers can get really hot in the microwave, especially with the container. Now, one thing, as you can see, it's super sticky. So Jolly Ranchers and of course marshmallows are really sticky. So just make sure that your containers, once you're done, you just soak under hot water and the candy will come right off. This is totally optional, but I decided to add some food coloring just to make the colors pop a little bit more. But of course, if you're just going to eat it right away or something like that, you definitely don't need to add food coloring. Let me know what you guys think about this video so far. The beauty of Jolly Ranchers, you guys, is that they have such an intense flavor. And sometimes when I make slime, the flavor of the candy doesn't actually come through and you can sort of taste the marshmallows. So the beauty of the Jolly Ranchers is that after this is all said and done, it completely tastes like Jolly Ranchers. I don't even notice the marshmallows really, other than obviously the texture, but it still really tastes like Jolly Ranchers. So this is, like I said, a super easy recipe, and it still is just as delicious as Jolly Rancher candies. So again, you guys, just make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and there's still time to comment on this video, and we would love it if you guys could share this video as well. We're just a small YouTube channel trying to make it big as everybody else is. We are trying to reach that 200,000 subscribers. We do have a Nintendo giveaway, a Nintendo Switch that is giveaway once we reach 200,000 subscribers. So make sure that you guys comment, ensuring that we know that you've subscribed, because that's how you enter into our giveaway. Doesn't this look so amazing? I love the way this looks. It's so shiny and smooth and gooey, ooey, delicious. It's gonna be so good. Yum, yum, yum. So at this point, you guys, it's pretty much done. It will be extremely sticky, so I'm just giving you a heads up here. But again, everything will come off with hot water. So try not to touch it with your fingers right away. If you want to let it cool off in your pot a little bit more, you can. I'm just putting it in a bowl to get it off the pot. But it is sticky and it's hot or warm or wherever you want to think about it. So I'm just going to let it cool down a little bit. And the key to this is to make sure that you don't cool it down too much. So you still want it to be warm. That will make it really super gooey, and as you can imagine, Jolly Ranchers and marshmallows, as they get colder, they will get harder. Okay, so you want to enjoy it while it's a little bit warm, obviously, so that you can touch it without burning your fingers, and warm enough that you can take a delicious bite out of it. Once it's cooled off enough to the point where you can touch it, you'll notice that it's not really sticky anymore. So this is where it gets pretty exciting, because you are so close to eating your edible Jolly Rancher slime. And of course, you have to play with it first. So this stuff is pretty awesome. It's nice and warm. It's stretchy. It's like a little bit more tough, but it's So awesome. You guys have to try this. Like I said, it's super easy, just 2 ingredients. And of course, make sure that you guys are being safe while you warm your delicious Jolly Ranchers and marshmallows up. Let me know in the comments if you guys end up trying this. Of course, let me know what flavors you try, and let me know if you thought it was the most delicious thing you've ever tasted. Thank you again for coming to this channel and watching this video right to the very end, you guys. Like I said, make sure that you guys comment and you will be entered in our draw for the Nintendo Switch once we reach 200,000 subscribers, and we're pretty close, so make sure you guys really help us out and make sure that you guys share this video. And of course, if you guys try it, comment as well and let me know how it went. I really hope you do. It's really easy, really fun, and really tasty, especially during this crazy COVID-19 isolation time. It'll give you guys something to do. Anyways, you guys, make sure you guys say hi. We'll say hi back. And I hope you guys keep coming back to check out our future videos. Thanks, everyone.